This is what families east of the valley have been dealing with. More flooding in their homes and washed out roads. This is an area that's been prone to flooding after the Telegraph Fire burned vegetation that normally would hold back the runoff. Team 12's Michael Doudna joins us from Globe, where people are wondering what's next. Michael?
This is what flooding can do to a home, turning what was once living spaces into little more than a disaster zone. And it's leaving many families wondering, what's next?
Helpless. Nothing we could do.
Never, ever seen this like this.
It tore me to pieces.
Homes left in ruin after not one, but 2 rounds of flooding near Globe.
These 2 washing machines actually were about 500 yards that way, and you can see where they landed.
Marie Hamilton showing us through her ruined house.
Oh my word.
She watched as water climbed up her steps and into her home, realizing with a panic she needed to get her 81-year-old father to safety.
And that's when we told him, we gotta go.
Maria's next-door neighbor, Wade, rescuing him with a raft.
He's like an uncle to me. We're pretty much like family.
And everyone says that it has never flooded like this until now, after the Telegraph Fire ripped through the area back in June.
Everything's changed since the fire.
Since then, these homes have seen 2 massive floods.
I had 20 inches sitting in my living room.
Next door,
This is my life. This is my home. This is where I grew up.
Tim Gallo is moving out.
He said it's going to last 2 to 5 years. I can't do this. Even though I've been here this long, it's time to go. I'm going to cut my losses and I'm getting out.
He prepped with sandbags, asked the city, county, state, and feds for help to stop the flooding he knew was coming.
We're not getting help from anybody.
So Tim is going to start over somewhere else and is hoping for assistance for him and others like him who have lost everything.
We're victims. I'm not trying to blame anybody, but help us. Help us.
Michael Doudna, 12 News.